Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my channel Quran Learning Zone. I hope you are doing well. So today I learned this lesson by watching this video. So now you listen to me very carefully and it will be easy for you. So this is the first lesson of Noorani Qaida and in this lesson we will talk about alphabets. So this is the first lesson and this lesson name is the Arabic alphabets. Now we will start from the first letter. So now you can read with me if you want to read easily. Like this is the first letter and this letter is Alif. Alif. You don't make it longer this letter. Okay. Alif. You read like Alif. And the next one is here ba. Ba. You make it longer 1 second this letter. And the next one is here ta. Ta. And the next one is here tha. Tha. These three letters have same shape but there is difference between them. Unlike you can see here, ba has one dot on the bottom, ta have two dots on the top, and tha have three dots on the top. There is the difference between them. And sa we will be read without whistle. Like you don't read like sa. There is a wrong sound. You read like in a soft sound and without whistle. Sa, sa. And the next letter is here. Jim, ha, kha. These three letters have also same shape, but there is difference between them. Jim has one dot on the middle, ha without dot, kha has one dot on the top. There is the difference between them. Okay, so the next one is here. Dal, dal, zal, zal. So these two letters have also same shape, but there is difference between them. Like dal has no dot on the top and zal has one dot on the top. That is the difference between them. And remember that zal is a soft letter and this letter you can read without whistle. Like zal, zal. Don't make it stronger and don't make it with whistle. Okay. And the next one is here ra, ra, za, za. These two letters have same shape but there is difference between them. Ra has no dot on the top, za has one dot on the top. There is a difference between them. And za we will be read with whistle sound. Okay, like za, za, like that. Okay. And the next one is here seen, seen, sheen, sheen. These two letters have same shape but there is difference between them. Dot sheen has seen has no dot on the top and sheen have three dots on the top. There is the difference between them. And these two letters you make it longer 2 seconds. Two at 3 seconds you make it longer these two letters. Okay. And the next one is here sod, sod, dod, dod. These two letters we will be read in a heavy sound and there is difference between them. Sod has no dot on the top, dod has one dot on the top. There is a difference between them, these two letters. And the next one is here to, to, zo, zo. These two letters have same difference. Like the first letter have no dot on the top and second letter has one dot on the top. There is a difference between them. And these two letters we will be read in a heavy sound. Ain, ain, ghain, ghain. Ghain is a heavy letter. You can read in a heavy sound. And Ain has no dot on the top, and Ain is a throater letters. Fa, fa, fa is a simple letter. And the next one is here. Qaf, qaf. The next one is here. Kaf, kaf. These two letters have like similar sound, but the first letter is a heavy letter. Like you can see here, two dots on the top, and this one is a qaf. So this letter you read in a heavy sound. Every time, everywhere you can read with a heavy sound. Qaf, qaf. And the second one is here. This one is kaf, kaf. This letter you read in a light sound. Don't make it heavy. Don't make it bold. Every time you read in a light sound. There is the difference between these two letters. And now we will read from the next letter. So the next letter is lam, lam, mim, mim, noon, noon. And the next one is here. Wow, wow. You don't make it longer like wow. There is a wrong. You just read with the simple sound. Okay. Wow, wow. And the next one is here. Uh, okay. And the next one is here. Hamza, Hamza. You don't make it longer this letter. Okay. Hamza. These two letters we will be, and these two letters are throat letters, and these two letters we will be the deep part of throat. Like if you can, when you want to read it, then you can feel the sound from the bottom of your throat. Okay. uh, Hamza. And the next one is here. Ya, ya. And the last one is here also. Ya, ya. So the first lesson has been finished, and the next lesson we will start from tomorrow. You practice is very carefully. Okay. So assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and thank you for watching this video. Jazakallah.